Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and I want to talk to you about the Samsung 32-inch Smart TV. So even though the TV is set up for 720 quality picture, I think you can really see the image very well, the pictures and the videos very clearly. And even though it's a small TV, it really packs a good sound so you can really enjoy movies and videos as well. The TV has a few different inputs if you want to add some extra audio devices, if you want to connect HDMI or USB, and it also has an internet port. So if you're looking for a budget TV that is very good quality, check this one out, and that is my point of view.